Hello, fashion lovers. You are welcome to Custom today again. On people's demand, they love the Canadian smoking pattern, and so that's why I want to put up this one again. Okay, yeah, and as usual, you know the first thing we are going to do. We are going to do our grid, our grid, or you say templates. So I will take off 1 inch from here. Take 1 inch from here. Take 1 inch from all the edges. Okay, let's go. Like I explained the other time, the wideness of this ruler is 1 inch, so it makes it easier for you to just use it like this. Now since it's 1 inch, and since I'm taking 1 inch off, so I just roll it. Which one will pay us today? I think pencil should pay more because this one is white. Let's see which one will pay us anyway. If chalk pays, we use chalk. If it's pencil, okay, let's go with our chalk again. I'm thinking because it's a butter color, bright color, the chalk might not come out. It's all the same. Let's come out with it. I wrote the 1 inch is true. I haven't drawn the edges, so you know we are going to draw the block of squares. So I will draw 1 inch through. Okay, since the pencil should be clearer than the chalk, I'm doing very well. I think the pencil is clear. So I will draw the block of 1 inch square. Okay, can we see the blocks very well now? So this pattern is going to follow this way. So we have a block of squares. So this one will mark 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we see very well? So that's how you mark. This one is not up to 1 square, so we leave it 1. We're not supposed to use this one, sorry. So we use the first one 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave this one right here 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave this one 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is left, so you leave a column and go to this place 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's, okay, we thread our needle. So you mark it now, number 1. This is my number 1. So I start from number 1. Knot it very well. Make sure it's strong. Go to number 2. Go to number 3. Go to number 4. Then you draw the 4 of them together. Draw the 4 of them together and then knit it. Thread it very well. Okay. You know, we left one space. We leave this place, go to the next one. Number 1 here. This one must be loose. So go to number 2, number 3, number 4. Then draw them together. Not want it. You leave the next gap again, go to the number one, not this one very well. Then number two, number three, number four. You draw them together. So we leave the next column, go to the third one. This is the first, second, go to the third one. You start from your number one. So number one should be this one this time around.